Well, I'm coming back to you again on an update on my Micro Locs 4-point rotation. I just want to share with you today my experience with micro locking my hair. So I am now 3 months micro locked. I established my micro locks on May the 3rd, 2020, and I must say that I am sufficiently pleased with micro locking my hair. I think it's the best thing I could have done. It cuts down on time with doing my hair, spending time on my hair when I have to go. That's number one. First of all, it's a great get up and go hairdo, and I love the definition. I'm gonna share. I'm gonna get a little closer up on the definition of my hair. Right now my hair is pretty short. I started off pretty short, but I'm starting to see some growth in the hair, which I'm happy about that, because I can honestly tell you, sitting around, I'm sitting up there watching those videos, and I wanted to just go get some sort of micro lock extensions to extend my hair, because I guess I'm rushing the process. And but then I sat down and I thought about, well, those ends are not my ends. I really want to see my ends fully grown and fully mature. Right now I'm in the budding stage of the locking process. Some people may call it the ugly stage. I don't find anything ugly about my hair at all. It's just the process. So let me share with you some of the products that I am using as my routine. So I do wash my hair at least once a week, because I like a clean scalp. Sometimes I'll go 2 weeks. I'm really trying to push myself to go three weeks, or maybe even 4. We'll see. But anyway, let me show you the shampoo and conditioner that I'm using. I've shown this shampoo and conditioner in my other videos, and that is the Aveeno. Let me pull back a little bit. That is the Aveeno Blackberry Quinona Protein Blend Shampoo, as well as the conditioner. And the reason why I like protein is because my hair is color treated. I also use a color treated product as well. But let's talk about this one first. Number one, my hair is high porosity. And it's important for you to know your porosity. This way you know what type of products to use. High porosity hair is hair that is, the cuticle is slightly already raised. So when we wash our hair, or whatever you put in your hair, whatever products you put in your hair, you have a tendency to lose some of the product to retain the moisture. Actually, high porosity is about moisture retention. So my hair has a tendency not to retain moisture. So I want to use products that really work to feed to my hair protein, and retain, and also try to retain a lot of moisture. The second shampoo that I use is, and I've shown this one before, the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Castor, what is it called? Jamaican Black Castor Strengthening and Restore Shampoo, as well as the conditioner. I also use the 100% coconut, what is this called? Daily Hydration. Sorry about that. I got too many products. But anyway, this is my routine. And there's one more shampoo that I do use, because I do believe in cleansing my scalp at least once a month. I don't know how you got to get some of these products out of your hair, that because with micro locks, you don't want to fall into the point where your locks become so full of products they begin to break, and I don't want that. So I do use what's this one? Aveeno. I keep it in the same family. I try not to use out of too many different product families, because if something goes wrong with the hair, you don't know what product is doing it, whether you're doing too much or not enough. But anyway, so this is the Aveeno Apple Cider Vinegar Blend from Aveeno. What else we got here? The only other thing that I do use, or actually 2 more products. In the morning when I get up, I'm not using all of these shampoos, and so I do like moisture in the morning, just so I can rustle my hair without breakage. I don't want my hair breaking. So I will use the, let me see. as you spray the product, you'd always test your products before you put it into your hair. I rub the product in my hand just to see what it's going to do. And as I'm rubbing, I feel the stickiness of the product. Now, and I love the product. I do use the product, but I don't like the stickiness. I feel it. I want the moisture, not the stickiness. So I do mix the shade, the comeback curl with a little water. Actually, I mix it in the bottle with the water. Now, it's a little more lightweight. I don't want sticky, but I do want moisture. So that works for me. Now, the only other thing I do use when because my hair is color treated and I'm going outside, I do not want the sun barreling down on my color treated hair. My hair is already dry, naturally dry. Listen, curly hair is dry hair, and the curlier your curl, the curlier to your texture, the drier your hair will be. So I do use, I stay in the same family. This is what is one? This is the Aveeno Blackberry and Quinona. This is the Heat Shield. No, you don't have to necessarily press your hair with hot irons or combs or stuff like that to put heat shield on your hair, especially if it's color treated. So when I go out, boom, I'm just spraying my hair with this heat shield, especially my ends, especially the ends, because my ends are the oldest part of my hair. And this way I know that sun and those UV rays are not tearing up my hair. You're looking for straight hair? Well, you're not going to get it with curly hair. My hair does web up, but what I do every day is I go through my hair, and where I feel my fingers are snagging, I go through it, I separate it, and I may just twist it around another lock, because I want the hair to begin to learn to go in the section or rotate around the braid that I wanted to, I'm sorry, not the braid, the lock that I wanted to rotate around. And in other words, I'm giving the hair direction in the way I want it to go. What else do I want to tell you? Oh, let me show you the back. I hope you can see this, how my hair is doing. My back is still kind of short and it's growing. Let me part it down the middle so you can see the back. Anyway, my hair is doing well. Let me show you a side view. If you're considering locking your hair, I say go for it. It's definitely high maintenance, but what, once a month? You retie your hair once a month? Hey, listen, I did my own DIY. If I did mine, you can do yours. I have 400, I'm a proud owner of 412 locks. When I first established it, I think I was 388, but I went in, some were too big, so I just split them. And also, some I made too small. I thought they were too small, and I was concerned about the life of the lock. So what I did was I combined them with other locks, with another lock, and I haven't had any problem. To tell you about, you know, sometimes we struggle with length, and I wish my hair was longer. I wish I could see, you know, a little more coverage down to my, say my cheekbone. Because honestly, some of these locks are pretty long to the cheekbone. Or longer. Look at that. I have nice extension. Look how extended that hair is. Look how long that is. I'm enjoying this budding process. I see and feel the change in my hair. It's different because I've always had manicured hair. I'm not the type that just ran around and didn't do your hair for months. I mean, I'm a cosmetologist, so I believe in manicured hair. And so with the whole budding process is a different process for me. It's new. I'm enjoying it. but I am working with it. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lightly blow dry my hair because I want to see just about how far my hair can extend. So take a look at this side, and I'm going to blow this side right here and leave this side like this so you can see the difference. I'll be back. So guys, this is the result of my blow dry. On the left hand side, my hair is much more elongated than my right hand side. So listen, if you're struggling with the fact that your hair may be a little shorter than you want, maybe you can extend it a little more if you just lightly, and I do mean lightly, blow dry the hair. Or there's another way to do it. When you wash your hair, you can clip your hair down if you want to put a lot of clips in it. I personally don't want to put a lot of clips in my hair, so I blow dry my hair to get the extension that I desire. So I separated my hair into sections before blow drying. Now I'll take my heat spray, my heat shield, and I'll spray my hair. Make sure it's nice and saturated, because you have to remember you have locks. So you really got to saturate that hair. Can't play around with that. Don't try to save the product and don't save the hair. All right, I'm going to put my blow dryer on a medium heat. And just begin to blow dry. Now you want to make sure that you're pulling the hair, because you want to stretch the hair. You want the hair to be elongated. You don't want to just blow the hair. It's not going to be elongated. Stretch the hair. Look at that. As you can see, I'm not blowing my ends. I'm only blowing the roots of the shaft. Now I'm moving on to my next section. You could take a nice considerable amount of hair. Just make sure you're saturating that hair with the heat spray. You see a lot of videos that hit it with, heat your hair one time. You need a little more than one time. You gotta put some product on that hair. Stretch the hair. Big difference. I'm gonna part this big section into two pieces, or I'll just do it like that. It's too thick. If you put too much hair in the head, in your hand, it's gonna be too thick. So work as small a sections as you can. And making sure my locks are saturated. Not wet, not drenching, but saturated with product. Presto changeo, honey. Hair. Okay. Ah! Alright. We're almost done. I decided to take you through the whole video so that Look how I put my fingers through it and I'm lifting the hair. I'm not blow drying my ends, just the inside, the shaft and the roots. Sorry guys. Done. Presto changeo. Wow. Loving this. Ah. Sorry, you can't see my mess down here. Alrighty. Feel like I need a little more around the front. Perimeter. There we go. I'm very generous with my products because this is my hair and I know what my hair needs. Oh, alrighty. As a matter of fact, this one feels a little thick. I am going to separate it into two as well. Alright. See, I have my finger over two. Stop right here. Just checking to see if, yeah, wow, look at that. I gotta look in the mirror over there, but I'm trying to give you a close-up. Yeah. Not bad. Now I don't feel so like I want to put extensions on my hair because I have some length. For me, this is a lot of length when my hair is crunched up like that. I don't want to do that, but you get what I'm saying for those of you who may be struggling with the fact that your hair is short. Just try your hardest, or just put a little blow dry to it. Listen, it's not gonna fall out. If you take care of your hair, it won't fall out. Well, anyway, thank you for returning to my channel. I hope you will like, comment, and or subscribe. I hope to bring some more routines to you, like my wash day routine, as well as how I maintain my scalp. So thank you. God bless you. And don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe. And also, I'm going to upload my original video where I did my micro lock 4-point rotation, how I established my micro locks. Have a wonderful, blessed, prosperous day. Bye-bye.